Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Bella here and I'm finally back to vlogging again. So currently I am 34 weeks and 5 days pregnant. So we have a Filipino friend and colleague ni Mikey. They gave us this used but still good na changing table and we picked it up yesterday. I decided to clean and disinfect it so we can slowly put our daughter's things on it. Yes, I don't mind using this used item for our little one kasi why not? As long as it is clean and in good condition. It will save us money as well. In this time an economy, di na uso mag-arte-arte. My husband and I grew up naman na hindi bago lahat ng gamit. And finally, it's all clean. May mga natanggap pa kaming gift na hindi ko pa na-unbox. Kaya tara, i-unbox natin. This one is from my cousin na nasa Missouri. Shout out to you, Ate Jinmei. Thanks for this gift. I know what's in it since she bought it through our Amazon baby registry. And yes, dito sa America, also ang baby registry since some people wants to send gifts for our baby. And they suggested it as well. Wala naman sa isip ko yung mga yan. We just added things on there and if they ask for our baby registry, we just send them the link. Sa Pinas naman, if you're just an ordinary person with ordinary friends, hindi uso makatanggap ng regalo for the baby before birth. Usually, you only receive gifts during the baby's baptism. So that's one of the culture shock I experienced here. So ayan na nga, we receive a diaper genie. My in-laws said this will be very useful since we live in an apartment. Para to sa mga dirty diapers ni baby. It will help para di mga mo yung apartment. Ayun na nga, I tried to figure out how to use this. Unfortunately, my brain is not braining. So, hintayin ko na lang yung asawa ko na mag-figure out nito. So, ayan, nilagay ko lang siya near the changing table para malapit lang pagbihisa namin si baby ng diaper. Next naman, we have this gift from Mikey's colleague. Her name is Sarah. And check this out. Meron pang card for her. O diba? Ang sweet lang. She gave us sets of clothes na onesies, mittens, and hat. Tapos meron itong parang jacket. Ang cute. So, since we got lots of clothes and other things from her baby shower, I will start washing all of them so they're ready to use. By the way, if you're curious where Mike is, ayan siya o, kakarating lang from his run. Parang basang sisiw kasi umulan. Anyways, going back, if you are not following our Facebook page, nandun yung video ng mga gifts na natanggap namin from her grandparents, uncle, auntie, and cousins. Please check and give a follow naman. So, ayan na nga, tinanggalan ko lang ng mga tags yung mga damit bago ilagay sa washing machine. Buti talaga, hindi na muna kami bumili ng mga damit ng anak namin. Kasi I know that clothes are the easiest gift for a baby. So, ayan, di ba marami-rami rin yung clothes niya. Also, they grow up so fast. So, these tiny ones is na yan, baka di na yan magkasya in like 3 months or 2 months. Plus, we got washing machines and dryer here so it's easy to clean her clothes. Since sensitive ang skin ng newborn baby, we will use this Dreft brand which is a hypoallergenic na liquid detergent meant for newborn's clothes. Bili to ng lola ni baby. Inamoy pa nga ng asawa ko, sabi niya ang bango daw. Gusto niya ganun din gamitin sa damit namin. Baliw talaga. So ayan na nga si Mikey na nagset ng washing machine kung ano ba dapat settings. Kasi naman wala namang washing machine sa amin. Malay ko ba ano dapat settings. Let's go back to the changing table na nilinisan ko kanina. I brought all the gifts that's supposed to be placed on the shelf of the changing table. We have these wet wipes na bigay ni Ate Beth who is a Filipino na kulig din ng asawa ko. Ginupit ko na yung top part ng box. That way we don't have to pull it out each time na kukuha ng wet wipes. Next is we have this portable changing pad, shampoo at sabon ni baby. It's not sucker para if may sipon siya, pati na pacifier para alam na namin saan kunin. Once i-introduce na namin ang pacifier sa kanya. And also, meron ding supply. We already have her diapers pero it was left in the car. Mike is gonna get it later to add it on here sa tabi ng box of wet wipes. Naglagay na ako ng dalawang tray. One is for the diapers and then yung other one is I am planning to put clean clothes para if kailangan bihisan si baby while changing the diaper, meron na agad kaming makuha lalo na if asawa ko magbihis sa kanya, no? Alam naman natin hindi nila mahanap yung mga bagay-bagay. Sa totoo lang, we didn't wanna overbuy her things. We only bought what we thought will be needed and then later, we will buy other things she will need as we go along. Kaya nga we waited for the baby shower na mangyari bago pa bilhin yung mga kulang. Dito naman kasi sa Amerika, ang bilis ng shipping. Minsan pa nga same day delivery so we are not worried. So ayun na nga, after that, we went to 2 thrift stores to check if they have a used dresser na decent para sa mga damit ni baby. Minsan kasi if maswerte ka, you can actually find good condition na mga gamit sa thrift stores. First thrift store na vinisita namin is Goodwill. This one ba?
That's not an dresser. They say mini dresser. It's only $8.
Okay naman sana siya, except lang yung pinakababa. So, pass for this. At pumunta na nga kami sa second thrift store na ang pangalan is Value Village. Try it, gani. Ay.
Size is too big. We couldn't get it in the car if we wanted to.
So ayun, wala kaming mahanap na decent drawer for our little one. We decided to order na lang sa Amazon. Anyways, this ends our vlog. Please subscribe if you want to follow along our journey as first-time parents. Bye!